Good fucking morning. I want to fucking pull you out of the sack and beat the fuck out of you. I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come on. How do I fucking get bigger? You fucking eat more. I want you to do 100 reps, all right? 100 reps straight, pumping. Balls shrinking is a good fucking thing. No fucking sex. Fuck that shit. The higher your balls are, the bigger your fucking dick looks. Like, I want to fucking bitch slap that motherfucker.